today's Boxycharm Premium unboxing. Yes, I'm in my same shirt that I've had on for like the past, I don't know, 3 videos, but I can't help it. I love it. It's from Glitzy Girls Boutique. It's cozy and it's pretty and it's my personality. So I'll have a link down below for you guys as well. So today's video, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium box for September. I have not opened it up yet, guys. I am super excited. Yes, I have swatches all over my arm because I just finished filming my base box unboxing, which, by the way, make sure to check it out because I geeked out, freaked out. I think I kept it a little calmer than I expected, but it's a pretty amazing box. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and give the quick disclaimer we always give. Guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox makeup, we play in makeup, we get ready with makeup, and at the end of the day, we remember it is in fact only makeup. This is our happy place. This is our stress-free place. This is positive vibes only place, okay? Okay. Let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Okay guys, so if you are new to Boxycharm Premium Box, this is a monthly subscription service. It is $10 more than the base box. It is $35 a month and you will receive around $175 or more in this beautiful little box. As far as the weight of the box, I was sent this complimentary to review and unbox for you guys, and they actually sent me the base box and the Luxe box as well, all in one box to save on shipping. So I do have my mail scale sitting right here so I can tell you guys how much it weighs. And it does weigh 2 pounds 5.7 ounces. So again, 2 pounds 5.7 ounces. That is how much this premium box weighs. So let's go ahead and open her up. I kind of like really being surprised for you guys, and I'll be coming back and using whatever's in here as well. So jumping right into the box, do we have a card? We do not. Ooh, oh, we do have a card. So the card always gives you a little information about everything in the box, as well as it is always, every month we have a theme to the boxes. So variation 13 is what I'm about to unbox for you guys, and the first thing I see in here is the E-louise Queen palette. Let's open her up. We're gonna do some swatches. Ooh, this is so pretty. You guys know I was talking a lot about this palette as well. It says E-louise Beauty, the Queen eyeshadow palette. It is gorgeous. Hold on, I'll tell you more in a minute. I want to show you guys. This is perfect. This is such a beautiful, 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 beautiful palette. Beautiful palette. Okay, so a little information. The Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us. I love that. Retail value $46. Like, I loved everything about that whole, like, everything. Like, explaining that palette, love that. Okay. So I'm gravitating towards the shade palette. These are creamy. These are beautiful. Let's do this one. Regal. Ooh, these are so pretty. Ooh, let's do Queen. These are so pretty. Okay, and let's do this. Ooh, okay. I'm out of fingers. Hold on. Let's swatch this. Yes, I know I've got some over here. I'll go up high. Oh, let's go here. Ooh, these even swatch nice. That blue. Okay, we're coming back. We're using the blue. Hold on. I want to use that yellow in here too. Let's swatch the yellow. Or gold. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's go up here. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm excited. I will definitely be coming back. Hold on, let me do like, let's do this matte up here. Okay, so that one, some of these aren't swatching too great, but don't worry. As I always tell you guys, swatches do not tell the full story, but I think I will definitely, I'll definitely, I think, do a look over on Instagram, as well as I'll be coming back here and using some of the shades as well. But I think I'm really gonna enjoy this palette. Like, this is really, really pretty. My gosh, my whole arm is a hot doggone mess. Okay, so really excited about that. Like I said, retail value $46 as far as that goes. And let's go ahead and just jump into the next item in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you guys caught Saturday's like bonus video, I had said I was really interested in this. This is, I don't even know, I'm gonna just show you guys, but this is the ice roller. Check this out. Have you guys ever seen this before? I have seen over on Instagram a lot of people using this, and I've seen some here on YouTube, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so curious about that. You know, like, I just think it would be really neat. Like, I get puffy in the morning. Oh my gosh, it's already cold. Ooh, okay, that's probably not good. I have a whole face of makeup on. That's already cold. Well, it says that it's stainless steel. It says helps to depuff and brighten your under eye area, calms inflammation and redness from breakouts, sunburns, and shaving, temporarily contracts blood vessels to tighten pores, adds to firming skin and providing a more youthful complexion, promotes healthy blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, and helps to alleviate sore muscles, tensions, and headaches. I'm so excited. Thoroughly cleanse skin and dry, remove ice roller from freezer. So you can put this in the freezer. Allow to sit for a few minutes. For additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. This is awesome. I am so excited about this. I love getting tools like this. You guys know I'm a skincare junkie. I love the tools. I'm all about them. So this has a retail value. This is only $18. This is not cheap feeling either. Like, I'm pretty excited about that. So it says the ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high quality surgical stainless steel. It helps to calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and everything that I just said. And it is $18. Recommended daily for best results. I like that. I like this a lot. So this is perfect. You can just put it right into your skincare fridge or what have you, and I will definitely be using this as well. I'm excited. I really thought it was more than $18. That's awesome. Very affordable. Okay, so the next item I see in here is by Milk Makeup, and I love that we've been seeing so much Milk Makeup in our boxes. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. It does have a retail value of $22. Now, I actually did pick up, what is this one? The lip balm, and I really like this. I really like the Milk Makeup balm. I picked it up during the pop-up. I'm just gonna put some here because obviously I have lipstick on. This is this an exfoliator? It has like a peppermint scent to it. This is like really hydrating feeling on my skin. It said it is the scrub. It's not very gritty feeling. I don't know. It might feel different if you apply it directly to your lips. Like I said, retail value $22. It's an exfoliating conditioning lip scrub made with natural sugar crystals and hemp stem exfoliators for a softer, smoother, more moisturized lip. Has shea, cocoa, mango butters to soften the lips, seal in moisture, and improve texture. I like that. I like that a lot. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not like a crazy gritty, like I don't feel like it's going to be very harsh at all on my lips. So I like that a lot. I like that it's in this little component as well. So I feel like it's going to be one of those things that I'm definitely going to use this more than if it was in a pot. You know what I mean? Because like the pot I only keep in the shower, and I'm like only when I think about it. With this being in this kind of component, I definitely think I'll be using it up more. Next is the Smudge Stick Waterproof Liner by Stila. I've heard really good things about this. I'm excited about this as well. What color is this? Ooh, I like this. Okay, so it's not your standard type of black. It is more of like a chocolate brown. It's pretty creamy feeling, and I do like that. I told you guys, was it in Friday's video maybe? This was another spoiler we were seeing in the premium box, and I was excited about getting this type of liner because I haven't had to purchase an eyeliner in I don't know how long. And I like the fact that it's not black. Like I said, it is smudging it out. It is more, what's the name of this? It says it is Vivid Smoky Quartz. And it does seem really nice and creamy. So a little information about this item. It's the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, and it's available in an array of shades that stay, not stray, for reliable color payoff that's second to none. Moisturizing ingredients ensure, that's funny, because I did feel like that was really creamy when I started to do like the smudge on it. So I'm excited to try it out. It says the formula won't budge or fade, and it does have a retail value of $22. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is funny. I actually, when I'm filming this video, I had actually filmed Saturday's video as well, and I was showing you guys some variations. And I don't think I talked about this variation. I hadn't seen this one. So this is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. It increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, and balances skin. So this is what the box looks like as I'm ripping it open. Now, I think this is a brand that is new to Boxycharm. Ooh. Now, I like getting skincare, guys. I mean, I really like getting skincare in our boxes. I have like a nice little collection going as far as that goes. I don't want to open this just yet, but let's read some of the, oh my gosh, it comes with like, look at this. Like a whole pamphlet on this product. Okay, let's read what this product does, because this looks very nice, like very, very nice. So it has a retail value of $55. It's hydrating, lightweight. The Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into the skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify the skin, while the Camellia, I probably said that wrong, oil offers antioxidant protection free of radical damage. I think this is going to be perfectly paired with this, because it did say you could put like serums on and whatnot. So I like that they offer things like this in our beauty box as well. So let's go on. $55 too. Okay. Now the next item, when it comes to the premium box, you do get to customize one of the items in here, and we had like 3 choices as far as that went for our premium box. We could choose the Marc Jacobs moisturizer, the Marc Jacobs dewdrops, or the Ole Henriksen something fat thingy. I can't remember. Anywho, they sent over the Youth Quake moisturizer by Marc Jacobs, and they actually did send it to me in PR, and I have been using it. That's why it's sitting over here. I've kind of used it almost as a primer as well, and I really like it. It's super hydrating. I don't feel like it's over hydrating, but as far as my skin goes, I have more like normal combo skin, because I do use retinol pretty much almost on the daily. Different, not like super strong, but any type of retinoid and everything on the daily. So I need that extra hydration to my skin, and if you guys did get this, I think you're really going to enjoy it for sure. It does have a retail value of $59, and it says have it all with a multitasking moisturizer. Has a perfect combination of moisturizing and retexturizing results. Why bother rehydrating dead skin cells? Smooth away rough texture and reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive major moisture magnitude. I do love this. I absolutely love this. And this is a large size too that we receive, guys. You get 1.7 fluid ounces. So you're not getting the dinky little size of it. You're getting the large size. So really happy with that. And that is everything in the box. Let me tally everything up for you guys and give you guys how much everything is worth in this box. Okay guys, so remember, this box is $35 plus tax, and everything in this box came to a grand total of $224. And again, $35 for this box. So my thoughts on this box, I'm actually very pleased with this box. $35, and this one item alone is $59. So you're making your money and a lot more back, you know what I mean? So it's not one of those things where I don't feel like you're not going to enjoy the products in here. I think everything curated perfect. And I know sometimes people will say that's just too much skincare. I don't want that much skincare. For me, I love to try out new skincare. I have obviously my favorites when it comes to skincare, but I love to try out other things in here. And The one thing that I did want to mention, if you feel like you're getting too much skincare, too much makeup, whatever it may be, make sure to just go right back into your account and keep it up to date. You know, there's nothing wrong with going into your account and just kind of changing it up. You know, if you don't want it to be very skincare heavy, just take the quizzes and everything and kind of curate it differently. The algorithm is reading whatever you put that you enjoy as far as that goes. So that's the one thing I did want to mention to you guys. If you haven't gone into your account and your profile and updated it in a while, definitely go back in there and update your profile. And I feel like if you do that, you're going to maybe notice a difference on, you know, if you're getting too much makeup or too much of the skincare, whatever it may be. I could be wrong on that, but that's just kind of like my thought process on it, is just keeping your profile up to date. Just want to remind you guys, as far as the base box choice dates go, September 14th is when it opens up early access for premium and luxe members, as well as this is when early access opens up for add-ons for October. And then for premium choice on September 17th, jump into your account, then you can make your choices for the October box. I do not know any of the choices just yet, but you guys know when I find them out, I'll be coming back and I'll be letting you guys know all the information I can find on everything. Like I said, don't forget we have an Instagram giveaway going on right now. Also, if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have my link listed down below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do use my link to sign up. If I can find any coupon codes or anything to sign up, I think there is one. Let me check right now. That way, if I don't link it, I've at least said it. But normally Boxycharm does have any types of coupon codes that you can use if you join now. So for example, if you join today when I'm filming this, I don't know if this is still going to be good, but Labor Day 12, you do get $12 in add-on coupons. So that may be something you want to try and use if you sign up. I'll pop the picture up over here for you guys as well. But they constantly are changing as far as that goes if you are new to sign up. And anyways guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I will have my shirt linked down below. Like I said, it's from Glitzy Girls Boutique. They are like, every day I get like notifications that they've added new things to their store, and I'm like, can you guys like stop? Because like my bank account has asked me very nicely to stop shopping. They have the cutest clothes, and I love the fact that they have regular sizes and curvy girl sizes, because I am like right in there and I sway either way. So they have the cutest things. Definitely make sure to check out Glitzy Girl Boutique. Not sponsored, but anyways, big thank you to Boxycharm as well for sending this box over my way to unbox for you guys. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.